Understanding target performance in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, target performance. This phrase is not only useful in everyday English but also important in various professional contexts. So, let's dive in and understand what target performance really means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Target performance is a compound noun consisting of two words, target and performance. Let's break it down. Target. This word often refers to an aim or a goal that someone is trying to achieve. Performance. This refers to how someone executes or carries out a task or activity. When combined, target performance refers to the level of achievement or standard that someone aims to reach in their work or activity. Now, let's see how to use target performance in different sentences. 1. In business, the company set a high target performance for its sales team this quarter. 2. In education, his target performance in the exam is to score above 90%. 3. In sports, the athlete's target performance includes breaking the national record. In each context, target performance describes a specific goal or standard that is to be achieved. Understanding similar phrases or synonyms can help you use target performance more effectively. Here are a few: performance goal, performance objective, performance target. Although these phrases are similar, the context in which they are used might slightly change their meaning. And that's a wrap on target performance. Remember, this phrase is all about the goals or standards we aim to achieve in different areas of life. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you use target performance confidently in your English conversations. Don't forget to practice, and see you in our next video.